What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris, and thanks for joining me for another episode of Cooking with Chris, Baking with Chris, Chris's Kitchen. I have no idea what to really call it. I seriously don't. But today, I'm gonna be making homemade Reese's peanut butter cups. Now, my wife was like, "Can you make me some Reese's peanut butter cups?" I'm like, "Sure, why not? I have chocolate here, so I have peanut butter, so that's it." So I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. But first, cue in that intro. Alright, so 2 ingredients, like I said. Chocolate chips. I got semi-sweet chocolate chips here. 51% cacao. That's what I have right now. I made some other things with that. Earlier I made a 2-ingredient chocolate cake with that, which turned out really well. I should do a video on that one. And peanut butter. Any choice peanut butter, whatever you want. You pick your peanut butter. That's just what I have here. 2 jugs. When I was on my bulking phase, peanut butter. So yeah, I still have some left. All you need, 2 ingredients. So first, it's actually bubbling now. So it's actually boiling now. I'm boiling some water so I can slowly warm up the chocolate chips. So I'm gonna grab this out of here and take it out the fire. After that, add the pot. Actually, I'm gonna put a pot in there. You can use a glass bowl. I don't have a glass bowl right now. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour my chocolate chip in here. I don't know how much chocolate chip this is. That's meant. You guys that really want to know. It's about a little over a cup. Just a little over a cup. So I'm gonna pour all that in there. I don't know, I should have waited. I don't care. I can slowly start mixing. I can see that it's already starting to melt. So I'm just gonna sit here and let it kind of do its thing. Melt a little bit, and yeah, we'll go from there once it gets melted. So I'll show you guys that. Now, as you can see, these are good to go. Everything's melted, nice and silky and smooth. Look at that. So now we're gonna fill the peanut butter cups here. Grab a spoon here. This side. Switch over to this side. Just pour a little bit in there, spread it around. Okay, if it's on the side, I'm going to throw that in later anyway. All right, so I filled these up, a little messy, but that's okay. It's gonna be covered in chocolate, another layer of chocolate anyway, so that's gonna be fine. I'm gonna put in a glass cooler, basically the freezer. I'm gonna let that sit for maybe like 10 minutes. What I'm trying to do is solidify that bottom half, so that way I can fill it with the peanut butter and then put in the top layer of chocolate. I'm hoping my top layer, my leftover chocolate doesn't seize up, harden. Because I could always put it back in the on the stove, warm it up a little bit, and melt it again. And yeah, it should be ready to go after that. All right, so we're gonna let that cool for about 10 minutes and then we'll get back to it. So 10 minutes in, took them out. Pretty solid in there. Like the way they look. Nice and thin. I'll put another layer here, but I think that will do. That is a nice thin layer. Not too thick. I think that's gonna do it. So now I'm gonna fill these with peanut butter. I'm gonna take a scoop of peanut butter. Scoop of peanut butter. Nice good amount there. All right, so now that peanut butter's in, the chocolate is still nice, melty. It's time to add. The best way to do it is grab another spoon. Do it like I did last time. Here, and then cover it. Sure, cover it. Here. You know what? Normally, I missed a step there, but that's okay. It's still gonna work. Normally, you put the peanut butter on, and then you throw it back in the fridge, in the freezer, to freeze it for another 10 minutes. But unfortunately we didn't do that, so it's still gonna turn out alright. The reason you do that is to so you harden the peanut butter, so when you put the warm chocolate on, it doesn't really melt the peanut butter. But again, should be fine. We're gonna let that chill for about 30 minutes and we're gonna see how that turns out. Alright guys, so check this out while we wait for the Reese's peanut butter cups to solidify and harden in the freezer. This is what I'm making for dinner. That is pizza dough, guys. Homemade pizza dough. Been really getting into baking ever since I got the instant dry yeast. I've been making buns. I've been making all sorts of stuff with bread and pizza dough. I made it a few times already. It's pretty fun to do, and it just feels really accomplishing to create your own pizza. And it's really good. The kids love it. Like I said, I've made it like 3-4 times already because they actually like to eat it. So I'm making that for dinner tonight, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be pepperoni and cheese. That's about it. That's all they like. Sometimes it's just like cheese, but that's what they like. So again, yeah, I'll make a video of that one the next time I make it. So it's been a couple hours now actually since I put the Reese's peanut butter cups in the freezer. I actually took them out an hour ago and put them in just the regular fridge because I didn't want them super hard. Peanut butter would get real hard and it'd be kind of hard to work with. So now I'm gonna break one open so I can show you guys what it looks like. Take this one right here, take it out of there. You can actually do this just to make it kind of cool. Kind of make it like a actual peanut butter cup. So that's pretty cool. I don't know. So I guess you could do that to decorate it. But so let's see. Let's bust this open. So we peel this away here. Take this out. Look at that. Here you have it, guys. As a look and shape of the Reese's peanut butter cup. Chocolate's a little bit darker, obviously. And the chocolate is not super hard. And as you can see in my hands, it's just like a Reese's Pieces. Alright, let's bust one open. Knife here. Ooh, nice. Alright, ready? So you can see where the chocolate came in a little bit on this one, but you get the idea. It's in there. Chocolate's nice and soft. Chocolate is nice and melty there. But yeah, chocolate came in a little bit on here, but I mean it is a Reese's peanut butter cup. Whew, that was good. So I put it back in there because I can't eat it obviously, but you know, my son will probably eat it. My daughter unfortunately cannot because she is allergic to peanuts, so I gotta figure out a way to make some that she can eat, you know. Gotta figure out something like that. Maybe like a chocolate fudge or something like that. I don't know, we'll see. So that is it. That is peanut butter Reese's Cups, homemade. And you can use like milk chocolate, like a lighter chocolate, but I prefer to use like a semi-sweet chocolate because you know, I don't like them too sweet. But yeah, all right guys, I hope you guys liked that. If you did, go ahead and please hit that like button, and if you like the content, hit that subscribe button, and you know, it'll help me out. And yeah, it would be awesome if you would, but you don't have to. I'm not saying you have to, but if you do like it, that would be awesome if you did. All right guys, that is it. I will catch you guys in the next video. Until then, I'm outies. Peace. Perfect.